Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking. Today we're going to be making a little lemon snack. That's my favorite flavor, I think, is lemon. And I'm using the Hawaiian rolls. You can use as big a pack as you want to. I bought the small one, of course, now. But if you've got a family, these don't go. They could probably last all day, but they won't. Just cut your size out, big or little as you want to. Lift it out. And I take my fingers and push it down a little bit further. Okay. And this is a half a stick of butter. And you can put a couple tablespoons of honey in it. 1, 2, and some lemon zest. Sort of mix it up a little bit. And then just slither it all over it. Down in it, sides, everywhere. Oh, by the way, I did butter my dish before I put this in here. One thing about it, Hawaiian rolls are a very popular thing in the country now, and they are delicious for everything. And there are genetic ones now, and I have bought those, and those are wonderful too, so you really can't go wrong. I've seen the Hawaiian rolls, hot dog rolls. They probably make the hamburger. Wouldn't really want those, but you might. Just get it in there really good. And I've got my oven on 450. Trying to get it all on here. There was a half a stick of butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, and I guess about a teaspoon of lemon zest. Looks like it's just enough. Okay, I'm going to put these in this, just like this, in the oven for about 7 minutes, just to crisp them up a little bit. Just got them out. See how shiny and pretty they are? They do look real pretty. I'm just going to take a scoop and put a scoop of it. This is what I'm using, pie filling, lemon pie filling. And I think it would be better if I use something else. You'll get as much in there as you can. I can smell the lemon zest from with the honey and butter. Now you got to admit, these do look good.